The FDA has denied an application for the emergency use of United Biomedical's COVID-19 vaccine candidate. The domestic vaccine maker's application was rejected by an FDA panel of 22 experts, with 17 panelists voting against. When explaining the rejection, the FDA said that the safety profile of the candidate was acceptable, but that it failed to meet efficacy standards based on the immunobridging approach. The government has a standing order for 5 million vaccines from United Biomedical, which the company can still fulfill if its planned phase 3 trials are successful.
遗憾的很遗憾的那个联雅疫苗的 EUA 在审查昨天的审查的结果是没有通过。
United Biomedical's COVID vaccine candidate has been denied approval for emergency use.
最后的一个投票的结果就是我们一共有22位的专家。
The results of the vote were as follows. There were 22 experts on the panel. Not counting the abstention from the panel convener, 21 votes were cast. 4 of them requested more documentation, and 17 voted against granting EUA. Therefore, authorization has not been granted for mass production. The company may still continue and carry out phase 3 clinical trials. Phase 3 trials will still go ahead to get the vaccine market ready. By then, it will be too late to apply for EUA.
Though the vaccine has been denied emergency use authorization, an order of 5 million vaccines for Taiwan's government still stands. United Biomedical says it will carry out phase 3 clinical trials with an eye toward mass producing its vaccine in the future. Taiwan's requirements for emergency use authorization are twofold. First, the neutralizing antibody titer induced by the candidate must be at least 0.67 times that of AstraZeneca. Medigen's antibody level was 3.4 times that of AstraZeneca, but United Biomedical did not meet the FDA standard. The second requirement is a vaccine seroconversion rate of at least 50%. Medigen's rate was 95.5%, while United Biomedical again missed the FDA bar.
它的抗体完全是靠佐剂去撑的。
Medigen's antibody response relies entirely on adjuvants. So Medigen developed an adjuvanted vaccine that's been able to induce a very high antibody titer. Although the titer doesn't represent the overall immune response, it's a beautiful number at the very least. In the case of United Biomedical, the same issue with adjuvants is at play, but the adjuvant it uses is probably not as good as Medigen's.
Relevant
arrangements will need to be made. We will ask United Biomedical to provide the relevant information and make the follow-up arrangements for vaccination.
The participants in United Biomedical's clinical trial will need to receive vaccination of another brand. The CECC said it would convene to finalize the vaccination arrangements.